This is my life now, and I can honestly say it probably does not get much better than this. Zen, what are you doing? Stay out from underneath my feet, please. Oh, you just got kicked. Jeez. Oh, you guys are cute. Hey guys, we're going to the beach. What are you tucking in there?
A pocket.
Doesn't she look cute? Look how cute she is.
Oh my god, I ain't.
Babe, look at her around. Look.
Look
Look at her. She's so cute. Our room's a bit of a disaster. We got some stuff. Zeke, Zen. No. You have to get out of this room. Get out of this room. This is not a room you need to be in. Come on, go play with Zeke. Go on, go play with Zeke.
You do workout. You big fatty.
I'm not a big fatty. Shush.
Fatty. I'm a big fatty.
There's your good boys. Get him, Zen. Get him, Zeke. Get him. Water's timeout. Hey, buddy. Come on, come here. Come on. Hey. Good boy. Yeah. Zen trying to get up here, too. Oh, you guys are cute. So anyway, yeah, we're going to the beach. I gotta take my camera. Snap some photographs. It's bright in here. You guys see how bright that is? Love it. It's dark. It's back to whatever. Bye. Men that work at Tim Hortons. Don't screw with a crazy bitch that wants her birthday cake donuts. She will cut you. Swear to God, she'll cut you. Just.
I did that once.
Not the cutest little shit you've ever seen. Zen! Zen, hi buddy! Hi buddy! That's a good boy. Yeah. Go in the water, let's go. Come on, Zen! Come on, Zeke, let's go! Come on, Zen, let's go! Come on, buddy! Good boy! Good boy!
He's a little nervous. You can tell.
Here, pull him back in. Let him come back. Or just walk him. He'll come with you. Come on, buddy! That's his first time ever in water. He looks like Bella. Oh my god, he looks like Bella.
It's too much to handle.
He looks so funny.
Everybody like a Lady Gaga that night. And you got in so much trouble for wearing makeup.
What's up, guys?
Oh yeah, you weren't allowed to wear makeup. Yeah, my mom.
Oh!
Shaved.
Chips!
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Shit!
But now I touched like, ew, why didn't you shave? I'm like, Mom.
Smile, y'all. You're gonna be on the internet.
I have no service. They're waiting for me right now. Yeah, my mom.
Tiana, smile. You're gonna be on the internet.
My hair's all curly.
So are you two, by the way.
Hey. It's 6.
You're gonna be on our vlogs.
Coming at 7.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
He loves your face. Oh my god, it must be wow. He just wants chunks of your skin, apparently.
Because you're such a little cutie. Talita, I have to go home. I have to be home by 7.
Okay, Amber. I love you.
I love you too.
Better. Zen's like, there's a treat in there. I know that. I'm gonna sit down here.
Zen. No. Sit. Sit. He doesn't know how to like be civil with the tree.
He doesn't have to be civil at all yet.
No.
Bleeding.
Oh, we got bit by a horsefly.
Oh yeah, they got a new burger there now.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I said to Brandon later, I said I'm going to go to McDonald's after I get that burger.
This is so bad. We just swam and now we're gonna go to McDonald's.
Listen, I don't want to lose too many calories on my trip.
I don't want to go to McDonald's.
I want to go home too, guys.
Oh, it's a good thing you guys are driving.
What if I could?
But you can't, so you're not.
I have plans with my mom. What's he doing? Is Daddy holding you?
Zeke's playing around with everybody.
Yeah, Bridget. So then what are you doing?
Aww.
What a big
I think it's
baby.
really dark. I can't tell.
What a big baby.
Yeah. Was a big baby boy.
Better not bite. Bite you back. We ran into Auntie Rena, and she's meeting the puppy for the first time and losing her mind, like always.
I'm in love.
Ezekiel, come here. You can't go in the house. Come on. Come here. Can't go in the house.
There you go.
The The makeup army has got their carts. They're ready to go. It's what? Buy one, get one free. I spotted all these good deals.
Start Store Canada, buy one get one free.
Look,
I spotted all these good deals.
Look, tampons, buy one get one free.
Oh my god.
It says tampons right there. Yeah, it says tampons.
It's French, but that's funny.
Listen, we need to get that expensive foundation.
Yeah, those are like 15 bucks a piece, dude.
Yeah, I know. And I don't know if I can spend half my 40 on one of those.
You really can. Because you get two, and you can pick from any two. It's a wider range of makeup. Think about the collection opportunities.
Wait, all this
Two guys excited about makeup shopping.
I got a coupon. Ethan got
$2 freaking off.
this, and it's $8. And then guess what? And then on top of that is buy one get one free.
Oh, girl.
What's this? Multi-care.
Oh, girl, I need to have 5 from you. Oh, yeah.
Quick drawing.
They're all buy one, get one free.
I know, just looking for now. Thank you, though.
I told you, Amber, they're all buy one, get one free.
I didn't want my hopes gonna let me out.
Don't just listen to me.
All right, buying 20 more things.
Okay, let's just...
Getting too excited over here, but buy one, get one free.
Someone's going somewhere in a hurry. Guarantee Amber's going to be doing a makeup haul here in the next couple days. Probably tomorrow.
Can you add up how much I saved, babe, so I can tell them?
It'll tell you right at the bottom.
Oh, it will? No, it doesn't.
Total save today, $75.23.
Holy crap.
So she spent $100 on makeup and saved 75 bucks.
This is almost a $200 purchase then.
It was a $200 purchase.
Dang, girl, I saved a lot. Buy one, get one free. If you got Lawtons near you and they got buy one, get one free, hit it up right now.
Yeah, she got a lot of stuff. You're welcome, by the way.
I'm so excited. It's the best
You're
decision
welcome.
ever. Why?
Because I pointed it all out and made a big deal of it, and you bought everything. Hope no one was hurt.
Crazy deals?
What?
They got wicked crazy deals and sirens are going.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
We struck the jackpot.
We're funny.
All right, so what's going on?
We're going back to our place.
All right, let's go. Vroom, vroom.